Hi friends, now we have Frontech LED monitor. The model is MON-0071. This monitor, this was the 48.25 centimeter LED monitor, around 19-inch monitor. The display resolution is 1440 into 900 resolution. It will come. Now we are going to unbox it. This is the specification, and it is the stand, monitor stand, monitor base, one power cable, one HDMI cable is there. One is laptop stand data. It is in this monitor. Both the HDMI and VGA port is available. You can use both. You can use it HDMI or VGA. Monitor is looks good. If you want, you can use wall mount also. Wall mount option also is there. That's it.